Hey people, so I'm back at this place called Waffleicious, which is on the Malampet Road, and for rupees 50 you get this Oreo pop waffle, and I can't wait to taste it. It's so that's what, since it's 50 bucks and this is pop, there is the slightly bigger version also, which you get it for 100 bucks. So yeah, it's quite a task recording and this thing, but these are things that I will try at least once, So this is on the Malampet Road, and yeah, lovely, like seriously good. For just 50 bucks you get this, and it's a one-time try for sure. So on that note, thanks for watching. That's the proprietor of this place. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.